Zoom factor, the amount by which a proportional shape is enlarged or reduced. Dilating a shape means to enlarge or shrink a shape by a zoom factor or a scale factor. The newly formed dilated shape is proportional or similar to the original shape. If a shape is dilated by 3 times, then the scale factor is 3. If a shape is dilated by 1/3 times, then the scale factor is 1/3. Note that a scale factor is 3 if it is an enlargement, and the scale factor of 1/3 is a shrinking in size. When a shape is dilated, it is done so about a center of dilation. While the origin (0, 0 and is typically used, it can be any point. To dilate is to enlarge or shrink by a set factor called a scale factor or zoom factor. Synonyms: scale factor. Related words: congruent, similar, center of dilation.